And the winner will face the Rhinos next Sunday. Darrow Tan, Enrico, yes. Montejo. Sala scores inside. They're asking for it. Tan is wide open for three. Bang! Oh, Riguero with a seductive fake basket. Counts it. 17 to go in the first quarter. Lianto for three. Same spot, different result. Here is Cañete. He is fouled. Basket is good. Hermosa. Sam Hermosa from the outside. Can't shake off his defender. Tabuada from the corner. He will get the kind bounce. And the layup coming from the outside. There is Axel Rabaya. Basket counts on a foul. And James. Outside shot, that's good for the Bears. Layup is good. There's Cabellon, he will go all the way for the layup. Cabellon free for three, yes! Outside shot, that's good. And that's Frederick Anyabieza with 12 points already in this game. 81-62, the Falcons continues to chase the Bears. Another 2 points. Tabuada, yes. Seventeen big points.